Hello, I'm here to present how to install your 15-inch planar monitors. We'll be sending you a template, something similar to this one. It has 4 holes up here that will accept the 1/4-inch self-centering bit we'll also be sending you. So what you want to do, this here is, I've already cut this out. This would be the same size hole that you'll need to cut in your wall for the monitor to fit into it. You'll want to put your template on the wall and temporarily fasten it with a couple drywall screws. At that point, you can take your self-centering bit and simply drill out those 4 holes. Get that done. Put the we're going to send you another drill bit you'll use to drill down through these plywood bars that we'll put behind the drywall. At that point, once you get your 4 holes drilled out of there, you can remove your template, and you could also at that point have marked your wall, cut your hole in the wall. Remove your template, take your bars, and you'll slip those behind the drywall. At that point, I like to use a tapered bit to get into. If you got drywall, the drywall screws should set no problem into that drywall. You just want those screws to be flush with your drywall surface so they don't interfere with how the monitor fits on there. Okay. Now you got your plywood bars secured to the back side of the drywall. At that point, you can take your monitor, wire it up, and slip it into the hole. At that point, you're going to want to take that same drill bit and drill down through those plywood bars. And we will be sending you little brown clips that they'll mount to the back side of those monitors, to the frames. I'll show you one of those. So on the back of the frame, there's 4 slots that will accept those brown clips. You want to get the screws, start them through there. We'll also be sending you a star bit, which is this gold bit, and you just drive those through those brown clips, and then you'll fasten that down on the monitor housing through the plywood bars. You don't want to over tighten them, you just want them snug. If you over tighten them, you'll break the plastic clips. You want those clips to be horizontal. At that point, your frame, it's marked top of frame. Set that on your monitor on the wall. They have the ability to slide left and right. You want to center that so that the metal housing right here is hidden. Once you're happy with the placement, snap down on one side. Once you get that side locked on the wall, you'll snap on the other 2 sides. Once that's on there, the frames are snug on there. If you do need to remove the frame, you'll need to get a spatula and simply pop one side of the frame off the wall, lift it, and you can remove the frame. And that is the process for installing those monitors. Like I said, it is important to use the self-centering bit with these. If you try to use the metal housing for the center points, They have ability to flex, and due to the placement of where these slots are, they need to be right where the template drills them at. I think that's all you need to know. Thank you.